eyelash.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Probably a lot of sound going on right now because my neighbors is blasting music and the train is going by at the same time. First, we're gonna take our NYX and we're gonna prime our lids. We're gonna take the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna take this color right here. Now we're gonna take raw sienna, color in the corner right here. And I'm gonna blend out the pink with that. I kind of want to deepen this pink, so I'm gonna take red ochre, whatever this color name is, and I put that in the crease as well. Now we're gonna take I don't even know how to pronounce this one right here. Now we're gonna add some glitter from Ambrosia. We're gonna get this pink one. I'm just gonna use eyelash glue.
Don't fuck with them hoes.
I'm gonna take this brown color and I'm gonna smoke out the edge. I'm gonna put black liner on. We're gonna take white eyeliner. Okay, now I'm gonna throw these lashes on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna primer Fenty. Tarte concealer.
Don't fuck with them hoes. 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 Don't fuck with them hoes.
I'm gonna take this Maybelline powder foundation. We're gonna sit under our eyes. We're gonna take our True Complexion Contour palette by Radiance. We're gonna take some liquid latex and some cotton balls. I'm gonna add them on top of our nose. Now we're gonna get a band-aid and we're gonna put that over like so, but the ends are not gonna stick, so we're gonna use liquid latex. Now we're gonna take the Bruise palette and we're gonna take purple, the dark red, and then the bright red. Going in with the next red. I'm using different fingers for each. I want to use some green too. I kind of want to be darker, a little bit darker under my eyes. So I'm I'm gonna take the Renaissance palette. We're gonna go back with this brown and a brush. We're just gonna take a little, and we're gonna smoke out our bottom. Now we're gonna add on our fake lips. I'm not sure how to use this. I got this from Amazon. I'll have the link in the description. So I've cut it off the plastic. I'm just gonna use liquid latex to stick this on my face. Okay guys, you don't have to use these lips. You can just overline your lips like massively and then use like a dark lipstick and then lip gloss over it so it can give the same effect. We're just gonna wait for this to dry. Oh my god, this looks crazy. While this dries or whatever it's doing, we're gonna take some black grease paint or a black eyeliner. We're gonna start drawing the line with the arrows on our face as it like post. That's disgusting. Like post operation, we're gonna start drawing those lines. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just drawing, okay? So you can do whatever you feel like. This is a freestyle right here. Red with a brush. We're gonna paint our nose red. Of course, we're gonna add blood. I'm gonna set these things with some powder. I'm gonna try to line these lips with some MAC lip liner and what? And chestnut.
Where's Johnny?
I want to see how this MAC lipstick looks. What color is this? Whirl. Take some foundation. I don't like how white it looks around, so we're gonna try to like conceal it with some foundation.
Don't fuck with them. 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 Don't fuck with them.
I'm feeling myself with these lips. Okay, now we're gonna add Fenty gloss on top. Now we're gonna take more blood. Finished look. If you're wondering where this top is from, it's from Aliexpress. I'm gonna do a haul soon.